Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Payoneer to Etsy. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the first step is to sign into your Etsy account. So go to etsy.com and log in. From there, you want to go ahead and open your shop manager from the top right menu. Then from here, we need to go to finances. So this is under payment settings. So in the shop manager on the left hand side, we've got these different tabs. Want to go ahead and click onto finances and select payment settings. Then here you'll manage your deposit account, the bank account where Etsy sends your money. Now we need to go ahead and get your Payoneer global payment service, so your bank details. So go to Payoneer, log into your account, then from there go to receive global payment service, then choose the currency that matches your Etsy payment currency. Copy the bank account details. Now this includes the bank name, account number, routing number, IBAN, etc. Then head back into Etsy's deposit account section, choose the same currency, enter the Payoneer bank details you copied, double check everything, then hit save. Now you might need to verify the accounts. Etsy may send a small test deposit or request documents. Check your Payoneer account for the deposit and confirm on Etsy if required.